What's up guys, Sandy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I varnished this painting and also put the hooks in the back with the wire to get it hanging like this. It has a wicked big bar in the centre which was giving me problems, and I kind of mucked up a couple of times, but I eventually got there, and I'll show you what I did to get it looking so good. So stick around and let's get into it now.
So here I have everything out to show you what I'll be using. To varnish the painting, I'm using Sonja's matte varnish, which is a polyurethane water-based product. This will give the painting some protection from dirt, dust and general aging, and keep the colours of the painting from fading. It costs about $14 here in Australia, so I'll add some links for you in the description to check out. I'm using this nice big West Art Series 691 size 2 brush to apply the varnish with, and I'll just be adding the varnish to this old meat tray and transfer it to the surface with the brush. Sometimes I do just pour the varnish straight onto the painting, as you may have seen in some of my other videos, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'll just swab it up using my brush from the tray and apply it to the surface like that. I feel that there's a bit more control on how much I apply that way.
Goes on nice and easy. I like to get down low also and just make sure that I can see where the gloss is going on, so that the light shows me if I'm missing any spots. I just brush it in the same direction. Just making sure I get the same level of varnish applied to the surface and it's not too gluggy anywhere else or thicker. Need some more. I did give this a good shake beforehand as well, as it is directed on the bottle to do so. I can see a hair there. Oops. Don't want a hair in my painting. Doesn't look like one of mine. This brush is really great for getting a nice application on. So I'm just going to go through and just give it a quick run through with my brush, make sure that everything is flat and not lumpy. A little bit of extra varnish on my paintbrush. And I'm getting down low and I'm looking for bubbles and marks and things like that that reflect by the lighting. Now I'm going to do the edges. I can see there's a couple of drips happening, so I just apply that really quickly, using up the dregs of my varnish in here. I find the varnish really gives the colour a real pop. And there we have it. I might put another layer on, but I think one is enough actually for this painting. Just quickly get low and have a look for any more marks, weird marks or bubbles or gluggy bits of the varnish. It looks good though. And I think we're done. So I'm just going to let that dry. We will come back and put the wire and hooks on for the back so it can hang. So now you can see the varnish is dry. There's no wet patches showing that I can see. Everything looks good. So now we're going to put the wire on the back. So I've turned over the painting and now I'm going to measure down where I want the hooks to go into so they're level. So I'm just going to use my ruler and measure down about a quarter of the way, which is about 170 here. So I'm going to make a mark. And again over here, 170. Now I'm going to get my hooks. So I I just use these little hooks. There's lots of different ways you can hang your art. This is the method I use. Pretty simple. So these are the little hooks that I'm going to use. So I think I've worked out that this might be a better alternative to these round hooks, and that is these large picture of triangles. They will sit flatter, and then the wire can go from one end to the other through there. So I'm just going to use my drill to put them in, which will be a lot easier than screwing in these little things. So let's do that instead. Done. Here she is, ready to hang. Everything's in place, so let's see how it goes. What do you think? Looks good? I'm happy. Stand back and have a look. Beautiful. So that's my little course on how to hang a painting and varnish it, finish it up ready for your client. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye.